Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Finally some movement in cryptos, Bitcoin breaking down below the 91.73 area. Coming down, we then had 90.73, what was the low here? Just below 90.76. Then spiking down through our 90.28 level, closing just below that 90.73, then rotating back up to retest the prior support area, becoming resistance on a further rally. The key area we're really watching is again this 91.73 area with the declining rotation zone starting to get some separation there. If we get a close above 9200, it's going to be back in consolidation, and this was a fake out breakdown, snapping back in. We're going to have to see if it does roll over again, then that is definitely a bearish sign. And we'll zoom out to the bigger picture. Bigger picture, again, you can see this consolidation area breaking out. It's going to be real interesting where today closes, but you see we just spiked down just below that GAN level, but then you had this other significant level right around 9,000. So that is key on any further decline. A close below 9,000 on the daily definitely puts it in bearish mode. A close above that 9,200 puts it back just in consolidation and congestion. Those are the key levels. If we did break below 9,000, 89.46 and 88.87. If we have a stronger rally, watch that 9,300 level to the upside. Let's check on Ethereum. Ethereum right now, so rolling over, coming down below our 234.44 area, spiking down. We had 231.25, spiking through that, and then closing above it, closing at it, and then the couple of lows right there. So that 231.25 is key to downside. If we do drop below that, then we're watching for 227.37 and then about 225. Key resistance on this 4 hour. You can see the declining rotation zone and that significant level. I'm going to be paying attention to again to the 234.44 area. If we rally through that, I'm going to pay attention to the top of the rotation zone with this prior major support area becoming resistance about 236.62 to 237. Those are the key levels based off the 4 hour. You can see here also finally, even though we're in congestion consolidation, we had some separation of the rotation zone, finally breaking below it and testing the 50-day exponential moving average. So that was a real key area it did test. Watch again for where today closes. Those 4 hour levels are the best ones to use moving forward. And with that, we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.